dog boxes over there. And I got to thinking, it took me a couple seconds.
Is this my drink?
No, that's my drink.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to this edition of Phone Truck Friday. My phone holder broke.
You're out of your drink. Oh, quick racetrack, whatever this is.
We gonna shout out SunnyStormy. Anybody know SunnyStormy? Link will be in the description box. Bang, bang. Leave that alone.
It's gonna fall. You're gonna lose it.
We got a special video coming. Probably be out Monday.
A special.
We got the Bucky sandwiches, y'all. See that little beaver?
You know what's funny? I was wearing this in there.
Bam!
I don't know why people was looking at me.
You got any barbecue sauce?
No. I don't need barbecue sauce.
Well, I need some barbecue sauce.
Well,
You better lock the door. Sliced beef. Y'all check out SunnyStormy. SunnyStormy
this
channel.
ain't worth no $6 for this much meat. I mean, look how thin that is.
I used to pack it in there, but all this COVID relief plan and all that, everybody cutting back, blaming it on COVID.
I could stuff double in there.
It's good though.
Mm-hmm. Where we at?
Y'all gonna be shocked who I'm gonna see tomorrow.
I don't even know who we're supposed to be meeting tomorrow. I already got dragged along on this trip.
But y'all, SunnyStormy, she supports a lot of people, y'all. Y'all check her out. She got 2 cats, Sunny and Stormy. Check her out, check her out. She watches everybody's video. We are road tripping it today and tomorrow. So this Farm Truck Friday may not be very long. But if y'all go to Bucky's,
if you don't know what Bucky's is, it looks like this. Bucky's Beaver.
It's a big old gas station. It's a Walmart gas station, basically.
It's got a pretty good selection. It's got home and decor in there. I don't know why you would want to buy home and decor from a gas station.
That shit good.
Did I say home and decor? I mean home decor.
What'd you get? Sliced? No, you got chopped. Are you gonna go show them your chopped salmon?
I've been wearing this jacket all day long. Oh my shirt.
Oh, we don't be doing all that on camera. You're underage.
Oh my gosh.
He got drug along on this trip like he's really put out.
I did get drunk along.
Yeah. Like he ain't gonna have no fun, y'all. He ain't not gonna eat or nothing like that.
Not gonna lie. I kind of started panicking in there after I got done with looking at what I was looking at. Cause there was so many people.
Ah, we didn't say. I ain't getting nobody no buying nothing.
I mean, look how thin that is. $6. Come on now, Bucky's.
Bucky Beaver, welcome to the mukbang.
Look at all that meat on that. Ain't
Bang,
all that
bang.
meat on there, boy.
We banging. We're banging Bucky style.
I'm gonna quit wearing that hoodie. Actually, I can't quit wearing that hoodie because I welded that hoodie.
$5.99.
I'll be laying dimes in that hoodie.
a piece. That's the best damn barbecue sandwich from a gas station you could ever want. He got chopped and I always get sliced. Get your feet down from there. He putting his leg up and farting in my truck. Y'all heard him, didn't you?
Man, I didn't bring my fluffy shoes.
Y'all get a bite now?
Yeah, dude.
Bam!
Where my fluffy shoes at?
There you go.
Did you take my fluffy shoes out of here?
I ain't took nothing, boy. I might have to get one of these on the road. Yay. Yay what? That phone there made me look like a midget.
I got my fluffy shoes. Look, they're also fluffy inside. They're really good.
Check out SunnyStormy. SunnyStormy.
They're really good when it's cold outside and it's barefooted.
Check that link in the description box, y'all.
Okay, now I'm happy. I'm taking these bad boys off.
Well, I'm take those shoes off my truck.
Need them. Ooh, my toe itches. Gotta get my sleeps on.
I might have to pull around somewhere far, and I have to go pee in a minute.
We'll park right in the middle of the store, not at the end.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, this right here is the end of the store. So we gotta go around.
Boy, I ain't got to have no bathroom to pee.
You don't want to pee in one of their 100 stalls or urinals?
I hang outside.
There's enough urinals now. You can pee in a different urinal every day. You can poop in a different urinal every day.
You're not gonna give him a bite?
For a whole month. No, because I'm greedy with my food.
You're greedy and stingy.
I don't share my food.
These people's over here starving.
I don't share my food.
Delicious, y'all. It didn't need no barbecue sauce.
My foot feels. I said foot.
You said fuck.
What the heck?
You said fuck.
My foot feels like it's in a stuffed teddy bear. I don't know why.
Your foot is on a stuffed teddy bear.
I mean, these shoes are so comfortable. These are the only shoes I actually like having enjoyment out of wearing. As you can tell, because I wear my boots 24/7.
Alright, y'all, we out of here. We gotta get back on the road. Bang, bang!
Bang, 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 bang.